there are like two layers on the top layer of the structure. Why is that? So what really is happening is you might be hearing a noise of a fan, which is right over here. So what is being done is there are like two layers in between that we have put like air, so that what air does is it insulates, and second it creates the buffer for the snow load. So when it snows, it doesn't actually touch the structure. The air spaced in between them, it holds the weight of the snow, and then it slowly slides down. So the snow doesn't even the weight doesn't even come on the structure that we use. So that's the principle that why you are seeing the air down.
So this is just really good. Yeah.